Today we're going to talk about the Adamas family of folders. The Adamas family of knives, designed by Shane Seibert, has been very popular for Benchmades, and they gained a reputation of being tanks. Just indestructible, hard-use folders. And so we wanted to stay true to the original design, but upgrade it both in some styling and in a materials standpoint. There's a lot of popularity in the military with these. They can put it through any abuse and rely on it. In the automatic, we're retaining the desert tan colorway, but we've lightened the blade. We've also added a completely new colorway to the family, and this is an ODG10 and Flat Earth Cerakote. This gives us a very earth tone colorway for this family. And then lastly, we've always had a black version, but now we're tungsten gray Cerakote, black G10. Again, cutting down a little bit on the high contrast jet black. This particular Cerakote has a slight texture to it, so it's a little bit more matte and less reflectivity. Other things that we've done across the entirety of the family is upgrade the blade steel. New this year for the Adamas family, we are introducing CPM crew wear. We've also added a new extension, so we've always had the manuals and the autos, and now we've added a mini version of the manual in the 273. One thing that everybody knows and loves about the Adamas is their large knives. We wanted something that was a little bit more EDC friendly. It's still a full-size knife, fills the hand very well, but isn't quite as big and bulky as the full-size knife. The redesigned Adamas family, definitely a great extension on what was a very popular family.